Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to integrate Systemio.io with AWeber. If you're new to AWeber, check the free trial link in the description. Existing users can simply log in and follow along. Step 1. Set up Zapier. Create a Zapier account to connect Systemio.io and AWeber. On the Zapier dashboard, click Create and select Zaps. If you need guidance, the Copilot feature is available to help. Step 2. Connect AWeber. Choose AWeber from the app list. If not connected yet, click Sign In, enter your login details, and click Allow Access. Step 3. Connect Systemio.io. Choose Systemio.io from the app list. If not connected yet, click Sign In, enter your email and password, and click Sign In. Step 4. Configure and publish. Once both accounts are connected, configure your settings as needed. Click Publish to activate your Zap. That's it. Your Systemio.io and AWeber accounts are now integrated, and your automation is live. Thanks for watching.